Hello, welcome to my channel. Before we get into the first video, please do consider subscribing, giving a thumbs up if you like the video, and whatever you have to ask me about this video or anything that you want me to make a video on, please do leave it in the comment section below. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so first our video is about a striped blue jumpsuit. I was not very satisfied with it. It is slightly see-through. The openable buttons are nice. They have two pockets in the side, but it's not worth the price. I got it for 350 rupees. It's kind of an average looking dress. So yeah, that's it. Next one is very beautiful. It is very cute, elegant, and blue polka dot dress. It has bell sleeves and the material is very comfy. It is very nice to wear. It has a beautiful tie up on the back. The figure is just looks amazing. The flow of it is very nice. It's satin and also it has pockets, so it comes in very handy to wear. It has a zip on there, so it's pretty much easy and beautiful. So next is our red dress. This is frankly my favorite. It's so far I haven't seen a better dress that it's frankly just beautiful. I got it for 450 rupees. It's georgette material and has a very amazing flow. The inner lining is just above the knee, so it's decent, it's beautiful, and it's elegant. It has a zip and it's just pretty. Okay, last but not the least is our Club Factory shoes. These are very casual, they are foam shoes. I bought these for around 460 rupees, and I don't feel that it's worth 460 rupees because nowadays we're getting very cheap ones on the roadside. So I wouldn't prefer these. They're not bad quality, they're nice, they're okay. The strap and everything is very strong, so durable. They're not very comfortable. That is what I'm saying. Is if you can see here, the curve on the shoes doesn't really match with the curve on your leg. So it is not very comfortable, but it's fine for daily use and it's okay. So yeah, that's it for the video. Next video I was planning on doing on three Shein dresses that I got. They're a little bit bigger than my size, so I'm taking a little bit time to get it properly fitted to my size, and then I can show you properly. Those are amazing dresses. Please stay tuned and do consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye.